What is the price of an induction heating furnace? Generally speaking, the price of induction heating furnaces ranges from hundreds of thousands of RMB, because there are many factors affecting the price of induction heating furnaces. Among them, the equipments of induction heating furnaces are different, and the prices vary greatly. Secondly, different manufacturers' prices given are also very different. The quality of induction heating furnaces is different. Different induction heating furnaces have different prices and different production processes. The power is different, and the price of high power is high. The heating workpiece of the induction heating furnace is different. The price is also different. The quality is different, and the work will be very different. The price will be different. Different manufacturers. The raw materials, technical processes, labor, etc. used by the induction heating furnaces produced by different manufacturers are different, which will result in different investment costs and different prices of induction heating furnaces. Generally speaking, the price of a 200-KILOWATT induction heating furnace is around 6万 yuan. The price of a 400-KILOWATT induction heating furnace is around 8万 yuan. The price of a 600-KILOWATT induction heating furnace is around 10万 yuan. The price of a 1000 kilowatt induction heating furnace is around 12万 yuan.